how to import an image from Google Earth and not from Google Maps to AutoCAD and scale it with the correct measurements to use in your projects. This is what we are going to learn in this video. Now let's open Google Earth in the desktop. And here we have to click on Explore Earth at the top right of the screen. Now we open a map. This is in South Africa actually. Let's zoom in to the area we want to insert in AutoCAD, which is more or less here. Then, these steps are important. Check out if the compass is in the north direction. Click and then Reset to North. Then let's go to Map here to make sure the image will be as we want it. At the top, we can switch between Satellite and Map. Then in Details, I'm going to use Clean because I don't want any labels to appear in the map. And then I'm going to switch off the option 3D Buildings to have a perfect 2D view. Now that I'm ready, I'm going to press the key Print Screen and select an area to copy. Now you can open any app to save that area as an image file. I'm going to use the most simple one, which is Paint. Press Ctrl V to paste the image and adjust the borders. Finally, let's save the image in the location I want. Then in AutoCAD, I'm going to the Insert tab and then attach a reference. First, I need to find my file and open it, and then, in this window, just keep it how it is, as we need to scale the image after. I'm going to place it here and click again, so the image was attached. Now, to use the satellite image properly, we have to scale it with the real measurements. So, I'm going to find the approximate real measurements between 2 points in the image, this one, and then the second point can be this corner here. Now try to use the largest distance that you can, as the measurement will be more accurate. Back in Google Earth, there is a measure tool here to measure a distance between 2 points. Yes, this tool is not available in the Google Maps in the desktop app, at least in 2026, so that's why it's better to use Google Earth instead. So, select the Measure tool, and for the first point, I'm going to choose the corner of the swimming pool and zoom in a lot for better accuracy. And the second point, it will be this one. Of course, choose 2 points, you will easily remember them. As you can see in the right panel, the value was calculated as 301.61. Now, in AutoCAD, I'm going to activate the command Scale, select the image, then I specify a base point, this corner, and now I have to insert a reference. So I need to click here, then go to the map and pick up the same 2 points. Then I have to specify a new length, and I will type 301.61 meters, which is the value calculated in Google Earth. I press Enter and it's done. Then it's important to go to the Unit settings, type Units, and make sure the units to scale insert content is correct. So in this case, I will change it to meters, and click on OK. Finally, you can use the Distance command to check out some lengths in the map. Now, keep in mind that the measurements here are not perfectly accurate, but they are generally sufficient for creating site plans and other reference drawings in AutoCAD. Now, if you'd like to practice this workflow in more complete examples, I have a complete course in Autocad as well as another one in Revit in the platform Udemy. If you join it, you'll get free access forever. There are no destruction ads, you can find DWG and PDF files in some lectures, and I also included full exercises at the end of the course to practice your skills. So, if you are interested, please find the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next time.